We look up at the night sky, stars sprinkled like diamonds on a cosmic canvas, and we feel that familiar tug of curiosity. Among those twinkling lights, one beckons with particular allure: Mars, the red planet, a beacon of possibility in the vast expanse of space. But is Mars truly the next frontier for humanity, a stepping stone to a multi-planetary future, or is it merely a distant dream, forever out of reach? Join me, Lone Sajid, as we embark on a journey to explore the allure and the challenges of Mars, examining the scientific realities alongside the captivating possibilities. We'll delve into the heart of what makes Mars so intriguing, while also confronting the harsh truths that stand between us and a Martian colony. Mars is considered one of the most promising candidates for future human colonization, but it remains a highly challenging and speculative endeavor. Let's talk distance, because in space, it's everything. Compared to the other planets in our solar system, Mars is relatively close to us. On average, it's about 140 million miles away. Even at its closest point to Earth, a journey to Mars would still take about 6 months using current technology. But that relative proximity is a huge factor in its favor. It means shorter travel times, which translates to less exposure to radiation for our astronauts, and it makes communication with Earth more manageable. Now imagine stepping out onto the surface of Mars. A Martian day, called a sol, is just a tad longer than an Earth day, clocking in at about 24.6 hours. This similarity to our own circadian rhythms is a huge advantage for potential Martian colonists. Of course, we'd still have to contend with the frigid temperatures, the thin atmosphere, and the lack of breathable air. Water is essential for our survival, and any hope of establishing a long-term human presence on Mars hinges on finding a reliable source of this precious liquid. The good news is, Mars isn't entirely dry. We've found evidence of water ice lurking beneath the Martian surface, concentrated at the poles and in some mid-latitude regions. This ice could potentially be extracted and used for drinking, irrigation, and even for creating rocket fuel. But accessing and utilizing this Martian water won't be easy. It will require advanced technology, energy-intensive processes, and a deep understanding of the Martian environment. Take a deep breath. Feel that? That's our earthly atmosphere, a life-giving cocktail of nitrogen, oxygen, and other trace gases. Mars, however, has a rather different story. The Martian atmosphere is incredibly thin, about 100 times thinner than Earth's, and it's composed primarily of carbon dioxide. But, with the right technology, we might be able to convert it into breathable oxygen. Imagine future Martian colonists walking around with portable devices that scrub the CO2 from the air, transforming it into life-sustaining oxygen. Mars isn't just about finding a second home for humanity, it's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and exploration. Think about it. Mars offers a pristine laboratory to study the history of our solar system, to unravel the mysteries of planetary formation, and to search for signs of past or even present life. Imagine discovering fossilized evidence of ancient Martian microbes, or even finding liquid water deep beneath the surface, teeming with microscopic life forms. Such discoveries would revolutionize our understanding of life in the universe and our place within it. So, is Mars our next home? The answer, as with most things in science, is not a simple yes or no. It's a resounding maybe, filled with both incredible promise and daunting challenges. We've seen that Mars has its allures, its relative proximity, its somewhat Earth-like day-night cycle, the potential for water resources, and a carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere that, with some ingenuity, could be quite useful. But let's be realistic. Transforming Mars into a truly habitable planet would require technological leaps far beyond our current capabilities. Yet, despite the hurdles, the human spirit yearns to explore, to push beyond the boundaries of the known, and to reach for the stars. Either way, the journey to Mars, both literally and figuratively, is one worth taking.